The electricity plant of St. Vigilio di Marebbe has had to renew its old steel water piping that follows the course of the Rudo stream. They selected the Dyntech system proposed by Rotech. The Italo-German technical team from Rotech had to construct the polyethylene pipeline. The pipes were assembled using a special butt welding process. This procedure permits a monolithic pipeline without variations in diameter and thickness. It is not a simple procedure. Only qualified and highly specialized operators may carry out the necessary procedures to do the job. Moving pipes this size and weight is the trickiest part, but a coordinated team succeeded in making even the most insidious movements seem easy. The lengths of pipe were positioned and locked in place with some clamps. The pipe ends must be milled and lined up before inserting the heating element that heats the polyethylene to the temperature needed for welding. The temperature of the heater plate, combined with the hydraulic control unit that sets the welding pressure, makes it possible for the two pipes to be welded. So as not to restrict the flow rate of the pipe and to make sure that it is inserted perfectly in the old steel pipe, the operator must remove the weld bead of each joint, weld by weld, both internally and externally. Once it is welded and the beads have been removed, the lengths of pipe are ready to be inserted in the existing pipelines. Before starting the final job, a test is performed by inserting a smaller pipe with a diameter of 950 millimeters into the steel pipe to be replaced. When the pipe is removed, one can be sure that there are no obstacles along the course. When the smaller 900 millimeter pipe, 12 meters long, crosses the entirety of the pipeline to be replaced, the necessary equipment can be prepared for the Dyntech operations. This system of relining is based on the use of pipelines made from high-density polyethylene formed at the site with a thermomechanical system. Once the special machines are installed at the extremities of the line to be replaced, the restoration operation begins with the insertion of the new pipe made from polyethylene inside the old one of steel. The polyethylene pipe is heated and forcibly dragged through a tapered ring. The pipe outside diameter is thereby reduced by 10%. Once the outside diameter of the pipe is reduced, the pipe is pulled inside the steel pipe to be replaced by means of a hydraulic winch. In just 10 hours, the Rotech's operators replaced 400 meters of pipe. Once the insertion of the steel piping has been completed, the tension on the polyethylene pipe is removed and the tapered ring is removed. The polyethylene pipeline gradually returns to its original dimensions, making it a perfect fit in the existing pipeline, like a sheath. The advantages of this system, at present little known in Italy but very practical, are the reduction in cost and the possibility of installing pipes for distances of up to 1 kilometer in length. Once the insertion is completed, the different line segments of piping are joined together by means of a welding by electrofusion process. This procedure uses special sleeve couplings that can be electro-welded. These are also 950 millimeters in dimension, and like the pipe, they are produced by Nupigeco. In just 2 months, Nupigeco and Rotech provided equipment and technology capable of producing and installing a pipeline of such large dimensions. Flexibility and technical capacity united to make this project possible. The first one, perhaps, of a long series of improvements to Italy's water network, reputed for being one of the oldest in Europe.